Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in your background on Zoom even when your camera is off. So go to new meeting here, connecting. Okay, as you can see, the video is off. So to do that, you're going to basically select choose avatar instead. And then you can add in an avatar even if your video is off. And you can also add in like some backgrounds even if your video is off. So just turn off your camera and add in those backgrounds and avatars. That's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!